Welcome to Siddhi's Raji's Cuisine. Today we will be making papillote of spring vegetables. A lot of vegetables are coming in the yard, so I figured I picked this dish to make today. And Raji says that you could use olive oil also for this dish, and it's a strictly vegetarian dish. And you can, but Raji prefers to do the dish with clarified butter or ghee in order to bring add flavor to the vegetables. And she adds ajwain to this dish, embellishing the vegetables with to bring out the individual flavors of each vegetable. She's used like mung sprouts, carrots, potatoes, and zucchini. And the way ajwain blends with these dishes is amazing. So you can use this dish as a main course or as a side dish or appetizer, and it is so beautifully plated that it is also fun to take the parchment paper and work with it. And when you open it, you run into these juices of vegetables, and it is an amazing flavor bursting dish. So let's look at the ingredients needed for papillote of spring vegetables. Here are the ingredients for papillote of spring vegetables. Mung bean sprouts 2 tablespoons, juvenile carrots 2 tablespoons, potatoes 2 tablespoons, zucchini cut into bite-sized small size pieces 2 tablespoons, tomatoes de-seeded and nicely chopped 2 tablespoons, cauliflower florets really small 2 tablespoons, ajwain 1/8 teaspoon, ghee 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of water. And these are the ingredients needed for our spring vegetables. We also need parchment paper, which we are going to cut in a 10 by 10 shape, and make sure our pocket is made. Take a mixing bowl, add zucchini, add all our vegetables in it, tomato, cauliflower, potatoes, carrots, bean sprouts, and add the ajwain and salt. So basically salt per your taste. I have taken here 1/4 spoon. Now nicely mix this. So ajwain is nicely coated. So is the salt, gets to all the vegetables. And cut a 10 by 10 of the parchment paper that we 10 by 10 square, cut it so we can fill this inside that. So let's cut the parchment paper, and I've nicely brushed ghee on our parchment paper. Now we are going to make these pockets. We have ingredients enough for 2 pockets basically. So let's just put right in the center. And we are going to seal this up on all the sides like a pocket. We're going to sprinkle some water on top of the vegetables. And now let's cover up on the sides, all the sides. The nicely sealed pack is here with all the veggies. We're going to put in a oven pan. We are going to bake this in the oven for 10 minutes. And once it is done, we're going to plate the dish. Our dish is out of the oven. You can plate this directly onto the dish, onto the serving dish, and let the guests open it. So let me just show you. Let the guests open the parchment paper, and the fun is trying to dig through the paper and taking it out. And the vegetables are nicely done, and the aroma of ajwain is so good, and the ghee makes the vegetables very appetizing. Our dish is ready to be served. Enjoy.